Wamp server. It is web server application supporting for MySQL database and PHP programming language. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Browser open. Google search box lo enter Wamp web server download. Enter key press. Official link third section lo display. Wamp server files and additions. Third link click. Wamp server official web page complete display. Installers Wamp server full install version section lo related option. Wamp server latest version 3.4.0 supporting platform 64-bit and supported Apache 2.4.65. PHP select download section lo Wamp server latest version 3.4.0 underscore x64.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 357 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Wamp server exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. Wamp server 64 window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Desktop select setup language window lo default language English set first button OK click. Application related Wamp server GNU based general public license complete info display in middle section. Read once bottom side left section lo first option I accept the agreement left side circle tick mark set first button next click. Information window lo installation of Wamp server related instructions display. Second button next click. Setup window lo Wamp server installation and supporting packages install in your PC and laptop. All packages install mandatory without installation error display. 4 packages. Browser reopen. Mouse scroll down. Microsoft VC packages. VC 2008, 2010, 2012, 2013 and 14 zip files. Architecture 32-bit related and users first one select. 64-bit users second one. All VC redistributable packages x86 underscore x64 32 and 64-bit second option click. Downloading all packages x86 underscore x64 dot zip file. Downloading process start. File size 233 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Visual C++ redistributable packages. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Zip folder select. Mouse right click. Extract all options select. Select a destination and extract file. Location display in middle section box. Default set. First button. Extract click. Extracted folder maximize necessary installation packages. Wamp server setup window reopen. Installation 4 packages. First, first one Visual C++ 2012 x86 not installed. Extracted folder select VC re-edit 2013 x86 select mouse double click. Bottom side I agree to the license terms and conditions. Left side box tick mark set. First button install click. Redistributable window lo first button yes click. Updating purpose reinstall this package. Select mouse double click. Left side box tick mark set. First button install click. Admin privileges window lo first button yes click. Setup window reopen. To setup Packages completed. Third one 2012 64 and 2013. Set of window close. Packages window 2012. Select 64 x64 supported. Mouse double click. Bottom side box tick mark set. First button install click. Admin permission window first button yes click. And next second one x86 VC redistributed 2012 x86 supported package. Select mouse double click. Box tick mark set first button install click. Admin privileges window first button yes click. Setup successful close button click. And third one select mouse double click. Bottom side box tick mark set first button installer. Admin privileges window first button yes click. Folder minimize. Wamp server setup window reopen. Download folder minimize. Second button next click. Select destination location. Installation default path. Display in box. Local disk C. Wamp server 64 newly created directory. In case change the another one drive or folder browse button click. Disk space requirement 1.86 GB. Second button next click. Installing. Please wait while setup installs. Wamp server 64 on your computer. Wamp server application related installation executable files extracting process start. Wait and hear installation process completing. Second button no click. Again second button no click. Desktop shortcut Wamp server icon display. Bottom side next button click. Completing the Wamp server 64 setup wizard window. Finish button click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Wamp server 64. First option Wamp server 64 select window lo first button yes click. Wamp server 64 start of services. Be patient. Wait and here few seconds. Connected verify desktop task manager show hidden icons. Arrow click. First one green color button. Wamp services running. Icon click. Localhost. First option select. File Explorer document reopen. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Wamp 64 folder select open. www. This is Wamp's root directory folder and web page connected folder. Mouse right click. New option select. Subpanel text document select. Keyboard delete key press. Enter the file name. Chari coding related extension PHP. Enter. Enter key press. Select file. Mouse right click. Edit in Notepad option select. Chari.php text document file display. Enter PHP related simple script. File menu click. Save option select. Browser reopen. Wamp server homepage. New tab click. Address bar mouse left click. Delete key press. Enter localhost. Forward slash newly created PHP file name. Enter. Chari dot extension PHP. Enter key press. Executed output Chari Tech Info Warangal. This is properly run file.